Hello, welcome to SHIELD365. With safety at the core of everything we do, we deliver innovative and differentiated solutions to work sites. Today, we introduce our wireless anti-collision alert system for heavy equipment, a system that detects people only and installs easily without complex wiring. Designed especially for leased and short-term equipment, it significantly reduces installation time and on-site cost. The magnetic wireless unit attaches securely to the rear of the equipment, while the monitor mounts inside the operator's cabin for quick and simple setup. For confined or demanding environments, the camera can be installed on top of the equipment to prevent damage. If detection is required on both sides as well as the rear, additional cameras can be seamlessly integrated. The system detects only people entering the equipment's operating zone and immediately provides audible and visual alerts to the operator. Warning signals are also transmitted to the signalman, reinforcing protection for those working closest to potential hazards. Powered by AI-based human detection, the system minimizes false alarms and allows the detection range to be adjusted from 1 to 12 meters. Operational footage is automatically stored for up to 10 days, supporting incident review and accountability. With up to 24 hours of continuous operation, dual batteries, solar power options, and direct vehicle connection, SHIELD365 ensures uninterrupted, reliable safety protection. We provide safety consulting. SHIELD365.